Hello everyone. How are you all? I am your friend, your host Devottam, and you are listening to Better You Better Life, a self-improvement plan podcast, season 1. I am bringing before all of you a 17 episode podcast series on sustainable development goals. We might have heard multiple times across different forums, across different social media handles, in the newspapers or in the news bulletins about sustainable development goals. What are these goals exactly? And what is the significance of all these goals? And why you should know about it? In the intro episode I have always discussed about like why we should know, हमें ये सब क्यों समझना चाहिए, एक नागरिक होने के नाते हमारी क्या जिम्मेदारियां बनती है हमारी समाज के तरफ, and what responsible or what accountability do we hold in ensuring that future generations will have a better days to come. Now, in Dubai, UAE, COP28 conference is going on. COP28 is nothing but a conference where all the countries of the planet, developed countries, developing countries, and other third world countries, who meet in a single forum to discuss about the actions that they need to take against climate change. Because we all are vulnerable to the effects of climate change, or let me repeat myself, we all are vulnerable to the harmful effects of climate change. As an awareness initiative from my side, I will take each of these sustainable development goals, shortly speaking SDG goals, and try to make all understand the concept in a very simple way. It is not so technical. It is just from our educational point of view that we should know about these goals for our responsible behavior as citizens and combating climate change. In every episode, I will be taking one goal at a time so that it will be easier for you to understand and comprehend. I will try to make it more entertaining, like I will be bringing some imaginary characters as a representative of all our humankind, and will try to tell you in a story form. Episodes will be very short, very crisp, and in a very simple language. So what else you need? Just grab your headphones and just listen to these recordings, and make sure that you share these recordings, these podcast episodes with your friends as well. Sit back, just listen to it as fun and entertainment. Just take this as a capsule, as a medicine of small education coupled with entertainment and fun. It's a small perspective from my side on sustainable development goals. I hope you will enjoy it. इस एपिसोड की शुरुआत, द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस एपिसोड, लेट मी स्टार्ट विद अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम्पल. या कभी कभी आप जब आपके मम्मी पापा के साथ जाते हो कोई ट्रैफिक सिग्नल में, जब आप कोई बच्चे या बच्ची को आपके सामने पैसा मांगते हुए देखते हो, तो आपके पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं कभी कभार, या फिर आपके नहीं, किसी के भी पेरेंट्स, देखो पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं करोगे तो ऐसे ही सबके सामने भीख मांगना पड़ेगा. That is how our parents have perceived that illiteracy towards others. Time has changed, that we should change this mindset. Also taking one more example, from a practical example, sometimes it happens that in any family you might have seen that father is doing a low earning job, but children need education, and education is only possible by paying school fees in time. Otherwise those students will be expelled from the school and they will be facing eardrop. Parents will do anything, any work, any legal, illegal work, or any kind of job, day and night, physically hard work, labor, wage labor work to collect enough money to ensure that the education of their children continues. So that's what my point for today's episode. Had your parents been unable to invest in your education, imagine what you would have been doing now. आप भी शायद रास्ते पे ही होते, किसी ट्रैफिक सिग्नल में किसी गाड़ी के सामने पैसा मांग रहे होते. Sounds very harsh, but let's try to keep yourself in that situation and imagine what it goes through those children, through the mind of those children. They have hunger in their stomach, but yet they don't have any skill, they don't have education to fend for themselves. What goes through your mind when you see an illiterate family wandering in the roads doing nothing? Or else do you think that only having a degree makes you an educated person? In that case, let me ask you one more question, like how wisdom is different from it then. In documentaries, in TV, you might see that economies like Japan, USA, Singapore flourishing, and you imagine the same for your kid, but the reality is otherwise. What do you think about people who are stranded in Gaza right now and Syria, where people relatively prefer to understand the language of bullets other than books? Questions are endless, but solutions are only a few. The basic right to education for all. Try to imagine a world where every child like Aiden, a curious mind with dreams to explore, has access to quality education. This is the vision of the fourth Sustainable Development Goal, that is quality education. By 2030, the goal set is to ensure inclusive and equitable education for all. But how do we transfer this vision into a reality? That is by the power of providing quality education. Quality education is not just about attending school. It's about what happens inside those classrooms. If you have classroom benches and students, but you don't have any person who is teaching those students, then education will be incomplete. It is also about nurturing curious minds, fostering critical thinking among students, and providing equal opportunities for all, irrespective of gender, caste, creed, religion, and sex. Unfortunately, millions and millions of children around the world, like Aiden, are denied these opportunities, often due to financial or societal constraints. Examples are huge, but this episode will be too long. Let us try to focus on Aiden's journey for the moment. Aiden, a child from a disadvantaged background, faced limited access to quality education. His community lacked resources and the schools were underfunded. Then one day, a local initiative driven by dedicated educators and academicians and community leaders stepped in to provide scholarships, educational resources, and some passionate teachers. Aiden's world transformed within an instant. His world expanded as he gained knowledge and developed skills. He is now on the path to realizing his dreams and becoming an advocate for the importance of quality education. What we can do to ensure that people like Aiden get access to proper education? As young advocates for education, your voices are powerful agents of change. You can support organizations working to improve educational access for disadvantaged communities. May you consider mentoring or tutoring a student in need, sharing your knowledge and passion. Be a vocal advocate. Be a vocal advocate for policies that promote inclusive and equitable education. Your commitment can help ensure that every child, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to learn and grow. Do it for a cause. Come on, do it for with a purpose. The feeling will be incomparably the second best in the whole world. The second is best because the receiver will have a similar feeling of empowerment because of you. How satisfying, isn't it? Cutting things short, I will summarize what I have discussed in this episode. Sustainable Development Goals, that is goal number 4, which is quality education for all. It is all about opening doors to knowledge and opportunities. Imagine or your child as Aiden. Aiden's journey illustrates the life-changing impact of quality education. By getting involved and supporting initiatives that promote inclusive learning, you become an essential part of making quality education a reality for all. That's it for this episode. In the next episode, we will delve into another interesting sustainable development goal number 5, that is gender equality, and we will learn about the importance of gender equality and what you can do to support this vital goal. I hope that you found this episode helpful. In the next episode, we will discuss or we will bring some other idea or concept in order to become better version of yourself. I thank you for being with me and listening to this podcast. This is your host signing off.